Today, let us learn ADHOMUKHA SVANASANA, downward facing dog. First, come to plank pose. From plank pose, lift the waist up, press the shoulders towards the knees and heels touching the mat. Keep breathing while in the pose. Stay there for few breaths. And slowly relax. Too much distance or less distance is not the proper alignment. So for proper distance, the plank should be perfect. Palms under the shoulders and body in one straight line. Now, without moving the palms or feet, slowly lift up the waist. Sometimes, if you have tight hamstrings or calf muscles, it's hard to place the heels on the mat. So, it's okay. Instead, make sure you don't walk forward and stay in the normal pose. Some people, they don't push the shoulders properly towards the knees. They keep the back rounded. For correcting this, you need to press the shoulders slightly towards the knees. Then you will see the spine and hands come in one straight line. If this pose is difficult for you, follow these variations. Variation 1, come to table pose. Stretch the hands forward and place the forehead down on the mat. Make sure the knees are in line with the hips. Variation 2, if the heels are not touching the mat, you can press the heels one after the other. This helps stretch the hamstrings and calf muscles, and later with practice, you can touch the heels to the mat. Variation 3, if you're good in ADHOMUKHA SVANASANA, you can try this advanced variation called Ekapada ADHOMUKHA SVANASANA. Now slowly lift up your right leg. Stay there, keep breathing. Slowly relax the leg. Do it on the other side. Lift up your left leg. Try to keep the leg straight. Keep breathing. And slowly relax.
Now let us look at the benefits. This pose stretches the shoulders, hands, hamstrings and calves. It also strengthens the arms and legs. It calms the brain and relieves stress and mild depression. It improves digestion and also energizes the body. It helps to relieve the symptoms of menopause and also relieves headache, insomnia, fatigue and back pain.